It's been a while. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also turn on the notification icon if you're a subscriber. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be walking you through how I created this masterpiece. It's going to be a short video. So the first thing first is, as you can see, this picture is actually already retouched. So I used a photo AI to do the retouching. Yes, the software over here. So all the batch I did, the previous picture I did what? I did manipulation before I went straight to the retouching. But this I started with the retouching first. Then once I'm done, I exported it as a what? As a JPEG. Then I took it to Photoshop for the manipulation. So no further ado, let's jump into action. So our picture is retouched now. The next thing we need to do right now is to crop our picture. So I'll go to my crop tool, 4 by 5 to bracketed by 10. So I'm going to drag it from the down, drag it from the top. The way I see fit. We just want there to be enough border room for our pictures, as you can see right now. Like this. I think I like it this way. I'm going to click on enter key. Once I'm done right now, next thing I'll do right now is to duplicate on it on the background layer by clicking on Ctrl J. If you're using a MacBook, Command J. So once you're done with that, next thing you just need to do is to pick your quick selection tool or whatever tool you know how to use to separate subject from the background. So I'll be using my quick selection right now, and I'm going to click on select subject. Then I'll wait for it to load up and see if it's going to select the picture for me perfectly. If you are using Photoshop 2024 and above, I think this should be able to do it for you perfectly without you needing to do any amendment, especially if you are using cloud selection. So once you're using cloud selection, it's going to do the selection for you perfectly. Let's wait for it to load up. If you watch the video to this point in time, that means you're loving my tutorial. So the only thing you can do to support me right now is just to click on the subscribe button and also drop a like. And if you also have a question, you can also drop a comment. You subscribing, you liking my video is going to make YouTube recommend my videos to others, and that's going to encourage me to create more videos like this for you guys to learn from. And note, I will also be dropping so many files that you guys can download for free. Files you need to be getting for premium. Each like counts, each subscription counts. And boom. Look at what it did for us. It did what? It was able to select the image for us perfectly, almost perfectly, which is what I love. I won't have to stress myself to do it from scratch again. So that being said right now, next thing you just need to do is to right click on it, go to feather. Under feather, I'll be using 2.0 as my feather. I'm going to click on OK. Then I'm going to click on max. So that being said, we're done with that. So the next thing we can do right now is to do what? Is for we to actually duplicate this and expand the background, etc. But we won't be doing that for this particular picture. We'll just go to our file manager and do it and pick the background we'll be using. So I'm going to pick one particular background. I'll be giving you guys this background to download for free. I'll do what? I'll drag it down to my Photoshop, as you can see, like this. I'm going to expand it till I save it. I think I want it around this way. I'm going to expand it very well. I'll click on OK. But right now, the moment I brought it in, my subject layer is not showing again. That was because I actually dragged it above my subject layer. So I'm going to do what? I'm going to drag it below it, as you can see right now. So it's actually well placed, but I don't like the way it is. I'll Ctrl T on it again, and I'm going to adjust it to the way I want it to be. I think I want it around this way. I'll click on OK. The next thing I need to do is I want there to be enough border room at the top also again. So I'll just go to my crop toolbar, C, and I'm going to expand it. Since I've actually brought in another background right now, I should be able to do this easily, seamlessly. You can see right now. I'm going to do what? Click on OK again. Click on Enter key. And boom, we already have a well manipulated background. So you can see right now. So next thing we'll be doing right now is for we to do what? It's for we to create the reflection below it. And I'll be teaching you that also in no time. So to create the reflection right now, click on your subject layer, duplicate it. So the layer directly below it, click on it, right click on it and go to what? Convert to smart object. Once you do that, what you just need to do is wait for it to actually convert to smart object and do what? Come to the property here and click on edit content, and it's going to open an entire new bar for you. Let's go to our pic tool like this. So here's the picture. Now go to image, under image, go to rotation, under rotation, come down to vertical. Then you click on the vertical, wait for it to load up. As you can see, it's going to do what? Rotate the picture upside down for you. Control S on it to save. Once you save it here and you close this document up, it's going to load up for you in the other documents as rotated image, as you can see right now. All you just need to do is to Control T on it, drag it to where you want it to be. I want it to be around this way. I want it to be around there, as you can see. But instead of me to click on my OK, it's actually not giving me what I want. It's not looking very, very realistic right now. Let me drag it to this side a little bit. It's not looking realistic. I'll just come to my my WAPs selection, which is right over here. I'll click on it. So I'm going to do, I'm just going to drag it and amend it the way I want it to be, just to make sure it fits in what I want to do. So you can see right now. Once I'm okay with it, I'll click on OK on my keyboard. Click on OK, and boom. All I just need to do right now is to come to the opacity, and I'm going to drag it down a little bit for it to blend in perfectly. And boom, we're just done with our manipulation. The next thing we just need to do is to color grade it. Then we are good to go. So for the color grading now, all I just need to do right now is to do a click on my uppermost layer, click on my adjustment color, I'll click on color lookup, wait for it to load up, click on load 3D load. Let me go and load it natural fineness, and boom. If it's too much for your liking, come down to the opacity, drag it down to you see it. I'll be using 40 pixel, and boom, we are good to go. So in just few minutes, we're able to turn our picture from this to this beautiful masterpiece. Nobody is going to see this that won't love it. And this background will be given to you to download for free or charge. You don't need to pay a dime for it. All you just need to do is to join my Telegram group, and you're going to gain access to it. Don't forget to drop a like. Someone out there might be in need of this video. See you guys in my next video tutorial. Reflex out. So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my LUT file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUTs. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here's my color lookup, here is my background overlay, and here is my presets file. So in case you're interested in buying any one, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.